Hello boys and girls, my name is Ricario and this is my YouTube channel, Real/CarLife99. And today we're doing a short tour and exhaust video of my 2011 Nissan Maxima. So this is my car. I've had it for a little over a year now. It is a crimson black paint job. Silver 18-inch rims, OEM. Actually just finished washing it, so that's why it's out here in the grass. Custom quad tips. Aftermarket rear diffuser I installed. You will notice the stickers and decals for added horsepower.
What?
I'll show you the inside. Black leather interior. Very comfortable seats inside. Power adjustable. Tilt. Recline. You have all your infotainment controls here. Volume, your tune, FM, AM, dual climate control. Navigation screen, which is actually touch screen there. You can also control it manually with the buttons here. You have your settings, your phone options, Bluetooth, everything. Pretty much all the bells and whistles that these cars come with. Cruise control, your traction control. Glove box has decent space with all my junk in it. The doors have these holders in them. Got your compartments under the armrest here for storage. Plenty of storage room in this car. Also, double moonroof. Which is one thing I really like. Back seats. And it's actually pretty comfortable in the back here. I have a little bit of leg room with the seat pretty much fully back. I'm about 6 foot. You have this nice center armrest here. 2 cup holders. Check out the trunk room. Decent room in the trunk here to store luggage, bags, golf bags, whatever. Let's see. Now I'm going to start it up so you guys can hear my custom exhaust setup. here is 3.5-inch quad exhaust tips with a muffler delete, and I also have a 3-inch U-Power glass pack in place of the stock resonator. So she's sounds pretty good, fairly noisy. I do have all of my plastic trim pieces under the hood painted, that I painted myself. Red. Stickers for horsepower, of course. This is the 3.5 VQ, the VQ35DE, which produces 290 horsepower and 267 pound-feet of torque. So now that you guys have seen the car, we're just gonna get it on the road, and let you guys hear how it sounds cruising. All right, we're all set for the driving portion of this video. It is a nice hot day, so I'm gonna have the windows down, also for the purpose of you guys being able to hear the exhaust setup. Now this car does have a CVT automatic transmission, or the continuously variable transmission. So this car does not have traditional gears. It's basically driven by a pulley system. So it has different ratios, but no actual gear sets. Now I do have paddle shifters and a sort of a Tiptronic manual mode on the shifter here, with simulated gears. So it does have that. So safety first, my seatbelt on, and we're just gonna cruise down the neighborhood. This might help anyone out there who has maybe this car, or maybe something sort of similar. Maybe you have a 350Z or some other Nissan, and I'm thinking about doing custom exhaust work. This might give you an idea. So it's not bad, just cruising down the neighborhood. Not too obnoxiously loud. When you get to highway speeds, you will notice that this car does drone. We'll roll up the windows now, that way you can hear it from the inside. Not bad, to be honest, in my opinion. If you have one of these cars, the 7th generation Maxima, and are thinking of doing exhaust work, I would say definitely give it good consideration, because I mean, like literally 5 minutes after leaving the shop I had my work done at, I almost regretted it, because these cars are so quiet and so smooth and comfortable stock that I mean, when you cut the mufflers off and the resonators off, it's just completely different. But now I really don't have an issue with it. I mean, I think it's fine. I really come to like it, in fact. So we're just kind of cruising here. The car in manual mode, let you guys hear it a little bit. It does pop when downshifting. I don't know if you can hear it. Oh, it's a cop. I'm gonna get on it just a little bit. That's manual mode. And I'm gonna get it on the open highway. That way you guys can kind of get a feel for how the car is on the freeway at highway speeds, especially if you have a CVT car and are contemplating doing custom exhaust work on it. So we are going to get on the freeway. Okay, so we are about to get on the freeway, going through a traffic circle. Windows are down. We do have it just in drive mode. Put the windows up. That's sport mode. Much it for this video. I know it was nowhere near perfect. Really one of my first videos that I plan to post on YouTube here. But my goal is to get into doing vlogging and doing videos of my future upgrades to this car, because I do have other plans for the car. In the future, I mean, I want to get plan on lowering screens, maybe eventually rims, possibly some tuning. But I definitely like to do more vlogs in the future, and love it if you guys would subscribe and like this channel. Let's blow it up. This is 2021, so I'd like to keep making these videos, and let's do it. Leave any comments down below, and any suggestions or just your opinion on the video, and like and subscribe. Thank you.